This is the Renew by US Mattress Restored Plush Pillow Top. It's got a comfort scale rating of a 7, which is perfect if you're looking for something that has a nice soft initial feel but firm underlying support. This is one of the 3 mattresses currently, as of this video, that we have created for our own in-house US mattress collection. And we are extremely proud of both this mattress and the other 2. We crafted this collection based on the feedback from hundreds of thousands of our customers just like you to address all of the major issues that you all face when it comes to getting a good night's sleep. Things like you want cool, comfortable, supportive, long-lasting sleep. All of those things are the cornerstone of this brand, and I am proud to get into the actual specifications so you can understand why this might be perfect for you. Let's dive right in. Starting with the top, you have a cool to the touch cover, which is called the Cool Temp Fabric. The Cool Temp Fabric is so potent that you can feel it cooling you down even when wearing thick clothing like jeans, which is great because studies have shown over and over that if you have a slightly cooler sleep surface and a slightly cooler room, you will fall asleep faster, which means more time sleeping, less time tossing and turning or preparing for sleep. But in addition to that, it's also great for anyone who just happens to be kind of a warm sleeper because this fabric is going to give you that kind of flip the pillow, cool side of the pillow feeling when you lay down, which in my opinion feels fantastic. In addition to that, the cover is very thin, and we did that on purpose because we wanted the comfort padding layers underneath to do an outstanding job of giving you the pressure point benefits that you need to help combat tossing and turning through superior pressure relieving comfort materials, which we'll get into right now. The main layer right on top is a layer of Pillow Renew foam. This is going to give you that kind of soft, cradling, kind of mattress giving you a hug type feeling that contours to your lower back and reduces the pressure points for you side sleepers out there on your shoulders and your hips. Next is the 2-inch layer of Cool Renew Gel Memory Foam. This is the premium good stuff. This is the top of the line comfort material in this collection. Memory foam, if you're not familiar, is one of the best materials in the market for reducing pressure points that lead to tossing and turning. But in addition to that, because we blended it with gel, you wind up with a comfort padding layer that has a very substantial, premium, luxurious comfort. And when you lay on this mattress, it feels like a mattress that is $600, $700, $800 more expensive. It has an incredible feel. And one of the reasons is because of that premium layer of gel memory foam. It works with the cover, hence the name Cool Renew, to help keep you cooler by kind of pulling heat away from the surface and dispersing it throughout the night. In addition to that, memory foam is one of the most durable materials in the market, so this mattress is expected to retain its showroom level of comfort with proper rotation for a very long time. The warranty is 10 years, which we'll get into in just a minute, but just know that more memory foam means longer durability, generally speaking. Next, last but not least with memory foam comes the motion separation factor. So if you sleep on one side of the mattress and movement takes place on the other, and you tend to wake up because of that, memory foam is going to help combat that issue because it helps absorb energy. So if you take something heavy like a bowling ball or something, just as an example, and you drop it on the mattress, it transfers very little motion to the other side, which is great for all you light sleepers. Next, let's get into the 4-inch layer of Cool Gel Foam. This is your bottom base layer of comfort materials. Again, high-grade polyurethane foam, but this time blended with gel, and for all the same reasons that we did it with the memory foam. You want that outstanding, luxurious level of comfort. You want the pressure relief, and you want something that is going to hold up well over time, and the Cool Gel Foam absolutely checks that box. Next, we get into the support system. This is where you're gonna get your back support and your side support if you're a side sleeper, shoulders, hips, etc. This is a 1000 dynamic response coil system. This is an individually wrapped coil system where each coil contours independently to your unique shape to give you a very gentle yet solid level of support that is going to adapt to your body. Unlike a tied coil system where each coil is connected to its neighbor, because of the independent suspension system that we're using here, you don't have to worry about a lot of motion transfer because each coil, when you put pressure on one coil, The surrounding coil does not get disturbed, so it doesn't transfer that energy like a tied system does through the steel helicals. So again, works great with the memory foam to help give you undisturbed sleep. Last thing to talk about, this is fully adjustable base friendly. The coil system is specifically engineered to work with all modern adjustable bases. So you can upgrade this mattress to a sleep system with a fully articulating head and foot, adjustable base with confidence, knowing that it is not going to do any damage to the mattress and it is designed to work in tandem. The last thing to talk about that affects the comfort is the right start edge. This is a full foam encasement that allows you to sleep edge to edge with confidence and not have to worry about rolling off the side or like you're forced back toward the center. This is important for couples who share a queen size because you can use the entire sleep surface and not feel an inconsistency in comfort and not feel like you're forced back toward the center. So you can use the entire sleep surface. It's a fantastic edge support and it's great, again, for you couples who share a queen size. Last thing I want to talk about has nothing to do with comfort, but you're going to be so thankful that we added them when it comes time to move the mattress for any reason. And that is the fully functional and stylish handles on the side of the mattress. This makes, they're conveniently located, which makes rotating it or moving it very easy. I do recommend that you rotate it about once every 3 months or so for the first year. This is going to ensure that the comfort padding layers are doing a great job of contouring to your body's unique shape and setting yourself up for a good long comfort life expectancy. Now, remember earlier in the video when I talked about warranty, this has a 10-year full non-prorated warranty. What that means is that if you have the mattress 9 years and it becomes a warranty problem, we have got your back. It's not going to be a problem. This is one of the best warranties in the business right now. Overall, if you are looking for a mattress that has a nice, soft, contouring feel, but you want firm underlying support, and you want something that has a value proposition right now, and the value per dollar of a mattress that is hundreds of dollars more expensive, then I highly recommend that you take a look at our Renew collection, because this mattress is going to provide you with comfort, support, and cooling well into the next 10 years. I am incredibly proud of what we have here, and I think you are going to be very satisfied with your purchase.
We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video. We'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.